Let's see if you enjoy my cooking. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
The truth that God love. Hi Fias, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in France with your Jamaican girl. It is cloudy today, a little bit of sun trying to peek out, but it's on the cloud of fight like them a war. Yesterday it rained most of the day, so it's a little bit colder than usually this morning. But yeah, it's a brand new day and we're up and we're alive and we're doing well. Not so much of a good news we have, because we are now gone back in full lockdown mode. Remember we told you guys that it was just the weekend? Not anymore. As of today, it's every day, all day, full lockdown mode. So we can't go anywhere apart from 10 kilometers from where you live. That's the only thing you're allowed to do, and you have to have a permission slip just to get some fresh air. That's what they allow us to do. But apart from that, every store everywhere is closed except for the supermarkets. Yeah, so we are back in lockdown until 1 month's time. My region and Paris region, which is the two most famous spots in France, we are in complete lockdown mode. All the other cities are okay, but my region not good at all because we have the worst. Before my battery rudely died on me, I was telling you guys that we have the worst coronavirus counts in the entire France in my region, so they had to do something. But let's look on the bright side. We have each other, we have life, and it's for the best, because if they don't do that, people still not going to listen. People still going to be having parties and doing what they're not supposed to do. But we just have to go, we just have to continue tough it out and do what we got to do on this side of the world. Hopefully where you guys are, you're doing well, you're staying safe, you're wearing your mask and doing what you have to do to protect yourself and your family and your friends and be mindful of others. But yeah, that's the update on this side of the world. Now, how is the family? We are all doing good. Sarah just went down for a nap. Babe is working from home today. He also have a doctor's appointment, so he's gonna do that on his lunch break. He'll give you update on that when he gets back. Tyler is off to work. I was super busy this morning, so Tyler is off to work. You better be off to work. He off to school. I was so busy this morning I couldn't get to film him before he head off to school. I know you guys love to see Tyler. Look at my pants smoking. I know you guys love to see Tyler with his talking in the mornings, but you guys will of course see Tyler when he get back home. So continue watch. You guys will see. Everybody, enough of my rambling. I work out this morning. I just finished working out and got a nice shower, so I'll show you guys a little of my workout. Out with me, go over to Body After Baby on my workout channel and you guys will see all the workouts that I do there. Right now I am about to make me some breakfast and have an hour of me time before I continue on with my day. What am I gonna have for breakfast this morning? I think I'm having an omelette. So I'm having an omelette and some avocado. Oh, you guys, guess what? I got my air fryer. My air fryer is here. This is it right here, but I haven't tested it out with you guys yet. I got it a few days ago, but I'm just getting around to reading the manual. I'm halfway there because I don't want to start using it. I'm a kind of person who don't like to read manuals before I start using appliances, but this one I insist on doing so. I don't want to be if and but in. So I'm gonna test it out with you guys as soon as I finish. Don't get around to reading the manual. Why am I taking out this salt? Yeah, girl, don't use that salt anymore. So yeah, I got my air fryer, and I am excited to test it out with you guys. So it's pretty cool. It's called VPOC, VPCOK. That's the brand, and it comes with a air fryer recipe book. So it gives you recipes that you can use. You guys, you know, when I moved to France, no one could get me eat this small avocado, because in Jamaica, if our pear is little like this, we said they're not full. And I didn't used to these little avocado. I used to the big one, big pear, we call it in Jamaica, big pear. So it took me a while to accept this avocado. Alright, buddy, my breakfast is ready. Quick and easy, done so. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna grab. Hopefully you guys have a nice and lovely breakfast, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today.
Look who we have here. Say hello to the face.
I already ate a cheese at school. Cheese was pasta.
Say hello to the face.
One.
Had a good day today?
This one's the way to school.
Huh?
For Mondays, this one's the way to school.
Uh-huh.
It's
Look what I just picked up.
some apple with only some 10, for example, 40 plus. No, 40 plus.
And look who is walking. You throw away your biscuit? Okay, go. She want to walk. Go. Catch her. Oh, I should run fast. I tried to keep up. Go catch Tyler. She running like she drunk. Come in. Trying to catch Tyler. She threw her biscuit to run. This girl is a real athlete. Buddha! You find him? Yes? I can't hear you.
For example, 90 plus 10 equal 100.
Okay. Tyler, she wanna catch you. Stop. Ty. Tyler, that's not fair. Don't go over there.
Off your step and
Hi guys, it's Friday. It's the best day. I mean, it's Friday night. It's the best day of the week. I hope you all enjoy your Friday. I mean, after work. And yeah, we're here all together. We had a good day. You had a good day? Had a good day. I went to the...
Yes, Sarah singing ABC.
Look. had a good day. I went to the hospital for MRI to my head. Don't have the result yet, so I should go for them early next week. So yeah, but everything is fine. Tyler back from school. Tyler have good grades all weeks. So yeah.
Except one wrong.
Yeah, a little mistake on one, but you have like 10 A's, 0 B's, nothing, and I don't even know if you have a A minus. I don't think you have an A minus. So yeah, that's all good. I'm always looking forward for the Friday when Tyler come back from school to look at all of his book, everything that he done during the week, because we don't know except what he told us what he's doing. So the teacher every Friday, she put in her bag all of his different book, so we can see all of the grades and everything that he have done during the week. So that's something that I like.
Not all of the
Wait, if you want to say something, Ty, remember.
Yes, Tyler.
J'ai envie de dire quelque chose.
Tell me.
À la caméra, j'ai envie de dire.
So tell it to the camera.
You know what? Except the one book. Sometimes that book, but sometimes not that book. Is it poesy book? But today I have the poesy book.
Yeah, but you do one poesy every month, so
Yes.
it's not the
Tell
book
them what
that
is
you're
poesy.
looking for.
What is
Poesy is like
Not poesy.
English.
how you say poesy in
What
English?
is poesy in English?
Poesy, no?
Poesy.
No. Poem.
Poem.
Oh, you call it poem.
Poem.
We call it poem. Is the thing is a poem.
Poem.
The word is a poem, and poesy is the
Poem.
like the topic.
No, we just say poem.
Poem.
Okay,
Poem.
so
Poem.
yeah,
Poesy is poem.
we are here. We're gonna do a French.
Something very Frenchy today.
Very Frenchy. Something very Frenchy tonight. We are Friday, and we used to get pizza this last Friday. So either I remember one time, but it was a long time ago. I went to Pizza Hut. I bring pizza home. But otherwise, all of this last Friday we used to eat like mini pizza or quiche
We
or
haven't gone pizza today.
anything's fatty. I mean, Friday we don't want to cook.
Friday we just leave.
So tonight we still gonna do a little mini pizza because Sarah love it. But we also gonna do something very French. It's called croque, monsieur. This is like a sandwich. Well, this is a sandwich. We're gonna do it in the oven, and this is very yummy. We used to get that with babe like every Saturday back in the time. So
Before there was Sarah and Ty.
here's the ingredient. This is gonna be a sandwich, so we need bread. How you call it?
Bread preferably.
White bread. This type of bread. White, preferably not brown.
Le Bon Paris.
Le Bon Paris. This is the brand of the ham. We need ham
So they see
to put inside the sandwich. We need like sandwich cheese like cheddar, hamburger cheese. So this is basically the only thing that is inside. Hold on, Tyler. That is but inside the croque monsieur, and we have another cheese. This one is only to put to shred on top. Only to shred on top of
Take time.
the sandwich. So basically you can do the sandwich. You can make it in like 1 minute. You do two. We're gonna do all of it. It's just gonna take 1 minute, 2 minutes, and after we're gonna put it in the oven. That's gonna be the longest part for it to melt the cheese, to get hot, and yeah, to toast. That's why we prefer white one, because the top of the cheese will get the color. So
Can you guys tell
There we
that
go.
this is a French food that he knows? He's in his element with this one. I didn't even have to say nothing. I know nothing of this one. He's
Hold
in his
on.
element, so he's gonna take the floor.
hold on. So
Hold on, I'll film for you.
how many sandwich? Hold on, Tyler. How many sandwich do we want? How many sandwich Mama wants?
Mama don't want none.
Mama don't want none.
Mama will eat half.
I want two. You want two, so Mama eat one from you, because I'm sure you're not gonna eat.
Tyler say want two?
Yeah.
Tyler not gonna eat two.
So that's why you're gonna eat one from him. So we're gonna
Really let
do
me eat bread.
4 sandwich. So we have 4 bread. You take 4 bread and you put the 4 bread here.
Okay. 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 1, 2.
You see how they're gonna let me eat bread though? Well, I'm gonna eat pizza anyway, so.
4.
I'm not saying
Right.
it's
So we put the 4 bread. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put some extra cheese on the bottom. So in every sandwich, we're gonna put 2 cheese. Yes. So first, I'm gonna open it and you're gonna put it to every sandwich like this, okay? You know how to open? You can do it, or you want me to open
I
it?
think yes. I remember when I was doing sandwich.
So for the people who are not really cheesy, eventually what they can do is only to put 1 cheese inside.
Or split the cheese in half, because it's good when you have the ham sandwich by a cheese.
Right, whatever you decide to. So I have one, I'm gonna put it like this and gonna do the same for the others.
So you're putting cheese on all of them?
Yes.
Okay.
You want me to do half and half?
Meaning? No, do your thing. Do whatever you want to do. You're on the floor right now.
No, well, because one is for you, so eventually, I mean, one is for Tyler, who we're gonna share with you and Sarah. So eventually, this one, if you want less cheese.
No, that's fine for me.
Alright.
Do it the right way, always.
So, Tyler gonna put the last cheese. I'm gonna put the ham. So I'm gonna put 1 ham.
That's okay, Ty. Just follow Papa's
I'm gonna put 1
instruction.
ham in every
You're
cheese.
gonna put 1 ham
On top of
each
every cheese. Yes.
Okay.
So you have the ham, you just split it in 2, and you just post it like this. It's okay, it's going on the side, but that's what makes it yummy when it's going on the side. So you don't need to be like perfectly square. You will never get square. Right, like this. Thank you. No. You're gonna do the other part. I'm gonna do this part. You're gonna continue. We're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4 more cheese to put on top of the ham. Okay?
Okay. I'm going to do cheese. So next I'm going to put the cheese on top of the ham.
Move the bread bag. Good job.
Là, je suis en train d'échauffer un peu le fromage.
That's okay. The cheese gonna melt. So because it's gonna melt, it don't necessarily need to be in square. Okay? You want my help? Or you fine?
So what you gonna do now?
So now I'm gonna put back another cheese on top of the ham. So I'm gonna like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright, Tyler. You can do it.
Tyler, what you doing to that cheese?
But it's going to melt.
Right, that's okay.
That's okay, it's going to melt, Mama.
Okay.
Alright, so now this,
Kitchen fit on the door.
and last.
I already have it.
You already have it?
Papa,
And now what?
là tu peux le faire.
Okay, you want me to do it? I'll do it. So now what's gonna happen now? What's
What's the
we're
next
gonna
step?
do? What's the next step? Tyler?
Put the bread.
Yes, we're gonna put back the bread on top
Now you stand.
the sandwich to make it a sandwich. So we need how many bread?
4.
Right. I'm gonna do one like this, one like this. Good job, Tyler. Alright, so you think it's done? No, it's French. What we want next, Tyler?
I like that. We French.
Excuse me.
Pop cheese, pea cheese, pea cheese.
So what do you put?
Sorry.
Another cheese.
It's nearly finished.
Yeah, but I need to take it out.
It's ready. But it was on fire. It was on fire. Air fryer.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the cheese. Look, Papa gonna do one, we're gonna do the rest. And we're just gonna put the cheese on top and walk over the bread. So the top of the cheese,
Not recover, but cover.
cover. The top will be
Mama, there's
cheese.
some on the floor.
That's okay, Ty. Just take your time.
Tyler, you finish? So what we're gonna do now? Right, we're gonna put it in oven just as it is. You just put it in the oven.
You're just gonna put it on the baking sheet like that? You're just gonna put it on the tray as it is like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Foil paper.
Papa, je te les passe les sandwichs.
Hold on, Tyler.
Je te les passe, tu
Hold on.
les mets. Ok, papa?
Hold on. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some foil paper in the in here so it will make it easier after when we take it out of the oven. That will be better.
Papa, je te les donne,
Alright.
tu les mets.
Thank you.
C'est pas grave aussi, c'est du fromage.
Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. We have some cheese here. We're not gonna waste. They always say nothing wastes.
And west. Ow.
So the aim also of the cheese, because the cheese will also avoid the bread to burn. Because if you don't put no cheese on the top, sometimes what you can do is to walk over it completely inside the oven, because the top of the bread will kind of get brown fast.
Yeah, well, toast.
Right, so the fact that the cheese is there, it will kind of protect it from
Toasting too fast.
toasting too fast. So once it becomes kind of brown, this is ready. This is not a ham can be eaten cold, so we don't want to cook it. The aim is to warm it, to toast it, to make it yummy.
And how long do you stay in the oven for?
We're gonna put it for 10 minutes and see how it becomes after 10 minutes.
Okay, because what the aim you're going for? The toast look?
Right.
Okay.
The aim is the toast and the cheese to
Melt.
cut. Right.
Okay, take your face off the oven when you open it. Don't put your face down there when you're opening the oven.
Like this.
Gosh, I keep coming. Tony! Alright, chef. Go on with yourself. 10 minutes on your clock.
17, 18,
Tony!
20,
Chef, go on with
So I'm just
yourself.
gonna put it 10 minutes and watching how
Open
it
it and push it over some more.
26, 27,
Push over the tree.
29,
Push it, man.
51,
Voila.
2,
Now it's in.
3, 4,
Alright.
5.
And in the meantime, we'll be grubbing on
Pizza. Oh, my pizza.
No, these are Sarah. This look like your plate?
Yes.
No. Get Sarah a chair, please, honey. Sarah, a chair. Come put it from here. Sarah, a chair here.
Welcome back, guys. That's exactly
Hold
10
on, it's
minutes.
recording.
Yes.
Okay.
That's exactly 10 minutes. I think
Okay,
10 minutes
please.
was the perfect time.
Okay, chef. No, I see your body, chef. Alright, chef, look where you're going, you know.
10 minutes is perfect.
That looks so good. No, some I have to give them a close up.
Perfect. So you can see the cheese melt and it stick together. It avoid the bread from burning. So you can see all around is kind of toasting.
Okay.
So yeah, and I'm sure inside when you look, you see the cheese melting because it's hot. Another things also, you will also find on the menu sometimes things named croque madame. Monsieur mean Mr. and Madame mean Mrs. So sometimes you will find croque madame. This is the same thing, but you just add an egg on top of it.
Should I close the oven?
So yes, you
Turn
can
it
close
off?
the oven. You can turn it off. I don't need it anymore. So yeah, I'm
And it's
gonna
supposed to eat
enjoy
hot.
this. Oh yeah, you're gonna eat it hot.
Okay, let me cut one so I can have half.
It's gonna be yummy.
Oh, the cheese is just running out.
Mama, do you want a lot?
Should I give you one or half? You want one?
Half.
You want half?
Yes, this half.
I'm sure you're going to come back for another half.
So you can see the cheese melting. That's
Papa, taste it. Mama,
Yes, Dad?
taste it. You taste it first.
Why should I taste it first? I'm the rabbit?
Let's see if you enjoy my cooking. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
The truth of God love. But look at them looking at me like puppy. Come so fast, can do the facial expression.
What it tastes? What it tastes, Mama?
You want wait after babe would say I have to take a second bite.
Look at this. Look at this.
Tell the truth.
She have finished the half.
It tastes good.
It tastes great.
Crunchy. You bite.
But Mama take away the ham.
My ham slide out. You guys, I'm gonna let them stop
like
watching
it?
and go eat because it tastes good, but you can't eat this every day. And look how I say I'm not gonna eat any and babe convince me.
Oh,
Babe,
woo.
let's see bad influence Ty.
Yes,
Come eat yours.
Tyler, you like it?
I'm going to the toilet.
Tastes good, right?
But you're wicked.
Oh, that's not healthy at all.
You're wicked. 40 days I'm not to eat any bread for. 40.
Good.
You make me eat bread. But you want her? You won't complain.
That tastes good.
I might just go in for the other half that I give Tyler. No, I know why we used to eat this every Saturday. She's on my mom.
Yeah.
Babe and I, we used to have this thing. Come babe, make they see you biting it, man.
It was hot and nice.
before we had Tyler and Sarah, when we used to live close to Paris, every Saturday we used to go to the supermarket. And when we come back from the supermarket, every Saturday this would be our lunch. And then we start put on so much weight. But back then I used to cook rice and dumpling.
Oh,
We never
yeah.
used to eat veggie.
But mainly we put on the weight when we have Tyler. When we
Most
stop,
of it.
we stop the gym.
Oh yeah.
Anyway,
Boy,
that's good.
Tasha. Let me see your bite, man. Let me see your face so you close your eye.
Papa,
Yes, Tyler.
you.
Look at this. Melty cheese.
Papa, Tyler, what grade you give Papa for this sandwich?
Papa, you're super good because this, I love it.
Really?
You know what? Not even 5 plus. A billion plus.
Good job, Tyler. I know you like it, but you didn't bite it. So how you
Yes,
like
I
it?
did bite it. Here.
Oh yeah, you did. Good job. Alright, anyway guys, we're gonna enjoy our cheese. If you want to do it, it's very fast and simple. You can do it and just let us know how it tastes. You find easily all of these ingredients?
Easy.
Alright, so if you find that easy, you have no excuse. Test it. And that's gonna be your French
Dish.
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 What? You cannot dance and eat. Baba, you cannot dance and eat at the same time. Finish? Finish.
Comme le loup.
Finish.
Il est en mammifère, mais il sait pas du lait.
Some. Say please, please.
2, 1, 0.
Say please, Tai Tai. Tyler, give her a piece in her hand. Tyler, give her a piece in her hand. She said no. She don't worry want it. You let she don't worry want it. Leave her, Tyler. The way they fight sometimes is too cute. Damn, baby. Babe.
What's wrong with you?
You know, say me gonna thump you.
No, you're always fighting me. What's wrong?
If y'all ever know what he's doing.
I don't do nothing.
Baby, it's because they can't see.
I'm innocent. People are see I'm in front of them and I move.
Where is your hand?
It's there.
Okay, I'm fine now. Speak with your hands like that.
Well, it's
See,
here.
I'm fine now. Am I still complaining?
Yeah.
Because you're pressuring it. Ah! Baby, stop. End the vlog. The battery gonna die.
Anyway, guys, you can see how strong I am and courage and all of this adjective to all this for supporting this lovely but also annoying woman that give a lot of trouble. What is this?
Take your
neighbor?
hand out of my clothes.
My hand is here.
Yeah. What's this neighbor doing? I don't know. I hear noise. They're having some kind of karaoke.
Anyway guys, we hit the end to the vlog. It has been a full day, a lot of adventure. I went outside, I went to the hospital, I went back inside, I have lunch and I have work and oh, so much adventure. What did you do? Nothing.
Fort and more fort.
fart and more fart, stinky fart. I break the record of the stinky.
Can you end the vlog, please, and stop telling people about a bunch of crap?
Okay, that's a warm up. I can't stay here
The
longer.
croque monsieur tastes good.
It is good.
It tastes very good, especially when it's hot and just come out the oven.
Thank
I
you.
think I have a burn up the top of my mouth.
Thank you.
It was good. You did good.
Thank you. And you can try too, and I'm sure it's
Tyler love it.
I'm sure it's gonna turn good. I'm sure it's easy to do. 10 minutes was perfect. I just put it randomly. 10 minutes, 10 degree was perfect, and I put it at 200 degree Celsius.
And I love the croque madame too, with the egg on the top.
We should
Nice
try that one day,
way.
but we have to wait like 3, 4, 5 months before to do it again, because my wife Betty won't support it.
The thing is with me, when I eat things that my body don't use to, it make me nauseous.
Say it was yummy.
And I eat one full and I start feel myself, my stomach feel uneasy. I'm like, okay,
Tell her eat one or
half.
Oh, so you eat 1.5?
Yeah, me go back for the next half. 2 hours
1.5 and some pizza.
Leave me, let me live now. Let me live. Me eat rabbit
I
every
leave
day.
you. I leave you.
Let
I
me
don't
live.
say anything. I'm just shaking my hand like a dog inside the car.
You know, can't go and go be a dog in your own car. Just go like this. You'll fit the spot.
Yeah.
We need to give them back the French expression and the Jamaican expression after day, but not today though.
Yeah,
I want to
think about
sleep.
it. I think about it. Well, I hope you all have fun. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. That was fun for
When you gonna
us.
stop give trouble in your life?
I was serious.
When you gonna stop give trouble
I
in your
was
life?
serious.
End the vlog.
That's what I'm doing. You're cutting myself. I was well into it. Come on. Well, I hope you all had fun. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. So if you did, just don't forget to leave a comment, to subscribe, to turn on that notification bell, to like, to share, to do whatever you want to do to show us love, and we appreciate it, and we love you too. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Catch up and keep up. And they'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bless you.